Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to turn on Facebook notifications for batch mentions on your PC. Facebook has recently updated this feature, making it easier to stay connected with group conversations. Let's dive right in and go through the steps together. First, open your preferred web browser and head to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a bell icon. That's your notifications icon. Click on it to open the notifications drop-down menu. Now, in the notifications drop-down, you'll see a small three-dot icon in the top right corner. Click on these three dots to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, select Notification Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize all your Facebook notifications. On the Notification Settings page, scroll down until you find the Tags section. Click on it to expand the options. Here's where you'll find the setting we're looking for: Batch Mentions. You should see a toggle switch next to Batch Mentions. If it's currently off, simply click on the switch to turn it on. By enabling Batch Mentions, you'll receive notifications when someone uses tags like @everyone or @followers in group posts or comments. This is especially useful if you're part of active Facebook groups and want to stay in the loop without constantly checking for updates. And there you have it. You've successfully turned on notifications for batch mentions on Facebook using your PC. Now, you'll never miss out on important group conversations or announcements. Remember, you can always come back to this settings page to adjust your notification preferences as needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.